Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video guys for any of you looking for the heater, fuses and relays on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. We'll talk about hidden fuses, hidden relays, hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We'll cover that. Also, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools guys, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So for the heater guys, Ken will show you which fuses and relays you need to check. Quick advice from us guys, on that Mercedes, that Generation C-Class, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the different fuse boxes. Some are extremely hidden, they don't even look like fuse boxes. That's why we made one very helpful video on our YouTube channel guys, that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video our subscribers told us saved them thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do now, we need to open the driver door, and on the side of the dash we have that cover here. Remove it guys, pop it out. Behind it you have the main driver side fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here guys, what do we need to check now? Okay, let's explain. We need to check here 2 fuses, then we need to go check a few more fuses, relays in different fuse boxes, and starting guys this way. Okay, that's fuse now 200, 201, 2, 3. Okay, you keep counting down 4, 5, 6, 7. 207 will need to be checked guys, and fuse number 209 right here. Those are the ones that you need to check here. Then you need to come and open the passenger door, and on the passenger side in the footwell compartment on the A pillar you have a cover on the plastic trim. Open that cover, behind it that's the passenger fuse box. Here we'll be checking a few more things, and we need to go find one really hidden fuse box. Here we need to guys check fuse number 311. If you have that one, you may not, depending on the climate control option that you have, but if you have it, it may be right here that you need to check. The next thing guys, okay, that you need to check, you see these fuses here, that's known as MF2 and MF3. These guys fuse consists of 6 individual fuses built in one, the same thing on this side. One of those will be okay for what we're looking today as well. So go ahead, remove these 2 fuses and test all different fuses and check them out to make sure they're not burned, because those are responsible for the climate control and the heater as well. Next guys, okay, that's where things become interesting. Behind the glove box, if you remove physically the glove box towards the left side, on the far wall, on the back side, in the dash, you're going to have guys, okay, behind the dash a pre-fuse box that looks like this one. You have multiple cables going in, and if you open it, that's the layout right here. Guys, here there is one very important fuse that we will need to check, and you wonder which one it is, guys. This fuse number 1, 2, 3, fuse number 3, that fuse right here, that 40 amp fuse, that's the one, guys, that you will need to check. Now if you still have problems, guys, we'll recommend to check, okay, the front SAM module, SAM module as well, rear SAM module. If you want to know which fuses control them, we have the video about front and rear SAM module on the channel, guys, because they could be responsible for the climate control and the heater as well. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.